Hi there, and welcome at Smully Art. In this week's video we're doing another episode of the 10 minute, 1 minute, 10 seconds art challenge. This is an art challenge where I draw the same illustration 3 times over, the first time with a time limit of 10 minutes, the second time with a time limit of 1 minute, and the third time with a time limit of 10 seconds. Really looking forward to that. And as a topic for this week's video, I was thinking about the Mandalorian, which is a Star Wars character featured in a series on the Disney Channel. So let's not wait any longer, turn around the camera and start the challenge. Here we go. Okay guys, as you can see the timer is set to 10 minutes. Let's start the first challenge. there you have it, the Mandalorian in 10 minutes. Not too bad considering the time limit of 10 minutes. I think I really captured the image of the Mandalorian here. I could have done a better job if I had more time, of course, but considering the time limit, I'm quite happy how it turned out, so yeah, it's quite okay. Let's get over to the next challenge, drawing the Mandalorian in 1 minute. Here we go. So as you can see, the timer is set now to 1 minute. That's not a lot of time for a character like the Mandalorian, but no point in waiting here. Here we go. Oh boy, what can we say about this? Certainly not my best drawing ever. Considering the time limit, we could say it's okay, all elements are there. But yeah, there are a lot of things that are off. It's like your brain goes blank with such a short time limit. You're just drawing and drawing, not thinking, and then you get this kind of result, I guess. Oh well, let's get on with the next drawing that will be even more terrible, I guess. Let's do this in 10 seconds. So here we have the stopwatch set to 10 seconds. I don't even dare to press start here. Oh well, here goes. Oh lordy lordy, what can I say about this? Well, I guess it's the Mandalorian. Maybe I could sell this as an abstract painting or something. But hey, this challenge for sure is a lot of fun. It's not about making the best drawing. It's about having a lot of fun with art, and with this time limit for sure you get some crazy results. So I had a lot of fun this time. I hope you guys did as well. Let's flip the camera around for some final words. Well, that's it for this week's video. I really hope you guys liked it. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I put out new videos. It's every Friday, a great way to start the weekend. And if you know somebody in your surroundings, a family member or a friend, who would like to see these kinds of videos as well, please don't hesitate to share. That wraps up this week's video. We will see each other again next Friday. Bye!
Bye.